in this video, we are going to know about LLM. LLM is simply large language model. So this is the perfect cheat sheet for you to understand what is LLM and how it works. So basically, LLM is trained on large data sets and they are capable of work with human language and relies on AI models. So now we understand what is an LLM. Think of LLM, it is just like a super smart AI brain trained to tons of text, books, website articles, and it can understand and generate text like a human. Example, you ask, explain AI in 10 words. LLM answered. AI is a technology that makes machine think and act smart. So basically, LLM is a smart AI brain that trained with billions of data and it can generate a content for you, it can generate a text for you. Now we understand what is the roadmap to learn LLMs. So firstly, you need a basic understanding of Python and their libraries. So you have to learn a Python, NumPython to do simple maths with array, understand ML and deep learning. So you have to understand how machine learning and deep learning works. Learn the basic training in a model to predict house prices, study transformers. These are the engines behind ChatGPT. Learn how to attend work. So transformers is basically act like engines that can able to create work with ChatGPT. Use tools, try PyTorch or Hugging Face to build a small AI projects. So the more you practice or the more you work on with tools, you are capable of start creating a small AI project. So for practice, you have to learn how to ask better questions. So you have a sound knowledge about the prompt techniques. What are the prompt techniques? Zero shot, write a poem about a moon. Few shot, here are three poems, write a similar one. Chain of thought, explain your step by step reasoning. So basically, you have to master Python and learn what are the types of prompt engineering techniques and how you can use with different scenarios. Now the next point is fine tune model. So train ChatGPT on your own database like FAQs or your business building rag system. So connect ChatGPT with a Google search. It fetches answers and explain in a better way. And you have to also work with AI agent frameworks. So build an AI assistant that books flight and also at the same time send you an email. Deploy with APIs. So you have to also learn how you deploy your project with APIs, application programming interface. So you have to like put your AI model online using fast APIs so anyone can use it. So while learning LLM, you have to work on how to fine tune your model, how you connect your model with the RAG system, and you have to also work with multiple agent frameworks. And also in the end, you have to learn how you deploy your AI model with APIs so it works perfectly. So now we will understand LLM workflow, how it works. So firstly, you have to training AI learner from million of book articles, fine tuning AI get specific training like medical chatbot. So prompt, tokenize and generate. You ask AI break text into tokens, create responses, rank, add complementary knowledge with like search plus AI. AI searches information, filters the requirement and give you the best answer. Agent workflow, AI plan, task, use tools, remember, give and provide your final result. Now we will see one more example. You say summarize this 10 PDF. AI read the whole PDF, picks the key point and offer you one page summary. So this is how LLM workflow works. Now we will summarize and conclude LLM workflow. So there are some agentic type of models. So basically auto GPT, LAN, chain are the example, and you can use agentic models, can plan task and use tools, auto regressive model. So you can use ChatGPT 4, Llama 4, best at writing text step by step. So if you want to work with multi-model, so you have to work with Gemini, Flamingo, and with the help of multi-model, you can able to create, you can process the text plus images at the same time. And the next is MOE sparse. GLAM, Mixtrel are the example, and faster use experts only when needed. Instructions tune, Alpaca, Open Chat, follow human instructions very well. So these are the some example of models or LLMs. Now we will understand what are the use cases. So you can use LLM in content writing. You can able to write blog, captions, ad copy, chatbot, AI answering customer questions on website, and also the translate. You can translate your content from English to Hindi to Spanish accurately without doing any error, and you can summarize your content like you turn 20-page reports into one page notes, and you are capable of doing this. Code generation, write Python, Java code instantly. Example, business owner, write 5 Instagram captions for Diwali sale. So generally ChatGPT or any other LLM offer you and give you creative ready to post caption in second, so you can able to do multiple things with LLMs without any issue.